Have you ever noticed that to get healthy, delicious food, you need quality ingredients? I'm Brittany with WTI, and I want to introduce you to HYPERELEON Taste. It is a premium Greek blend olive oil. I love the aromatic scent and the beautiful green gold hue. And it is so versatile, perfect for salad dressings. Just combine with any desired ingredients to get that custom delicious salad. This olive oil will elevate any step of the meal process. Using it for roasting garlic is just a perfect base for sauces, dips, and marinades. And you can even pour it directly onto your dinner for added flavor. My favorite thing is to use it for an olive oil dipping sauce for bread. You can customize it to your own personal taste, and it's going to intensify your eating experience. If you use any cast iron, this is also a great way to season them, not only to take care of them, but to also add a bold, peppery, fruity, floral taste to any meal. Whether you're cooking for a big group or an intimate dinner, you are not going to regret adding HYPERELEON Taste to your meal. But that's just my point of view.